Where else would a being as fragile as a human live, while a being as powerful as a diamond perish? This is where it happened, where she was broken. You do? I'm surprised that a human being is capable of understanding how I feel. It's a shame. There's a geo-weapon incubating in your planet that will destroy everything shortly. But you don't deserve that, do you?
No doubt you've got some fun planned for me. Right, Virgil?
You summon and kill. Summon and kill. I fail to see the logic here. Senate! The price to pay for power? Oh, easy there, fella. Hey, I remember a stinky little pooch just like you. Looks like your master's got you on a pretty short leash. Come on, little puppy. I'll take you out for a walk. Come on, let's go. So, you're the strongest in the litter. Looks like we're gonna need a bigger leash. Come.
Music to my ears. Hurry up, Dante!
A lesson in failure. You are talented, but brash. Unfortunately, that was a lifetime ago. A name you forsook long ago. I escaped that grim fate. Turn back, Cabal. Then you require a lesson.
Well, it's a good thing we found each other. I don't know what to expect anymore. Police station's not much farther. They'll know something. Claire! It's so nice to see you. Claire, don't lose hope. I'm sure we're gonna find him. You know, it's one thing to keep the truth from me, but why him? I want to find out what's happening here and stop whoever's behind it. Helping people like them? That's why I joined the force. Whatever it takes to save this city. Count me in.
All the world on one arrow.
What a deceptive calling. I knew it was a lie the moment I heard it, obviously. But it is intriguing nonetheless. Bittersweet, but fitting. Fascinating. What they have become. How can I resist a promise such as this? You may not recognize me at first, but I assure you, it's still me. I always come back.